well and having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new watching this video, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. We are on our way to 9,500. I cannot believe it's happening, so if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do. Today's video is another Lush subscription box unboxing, and I am going to be unboxing the October Lush subscription box for 2021. I love Halloween, I love Lush. This box is going to be amazing. I have no idea what's in here. It feels a little bit lighter than normal. I'm not sure, but let's dig in. I'm so excited. Without further ado, let's go. So I've opened up the box and taken off the top layer. As you can see, the first thing in the box is this little box. It's a box inside of a box, very exciting, and we're going to open it up together. I have no idea what's in here. It's kind of light, so I'm not too sure, and again, I haven't seen any spoilers, so I have no idea what's in this box. I'm so excited. This one, okay, this is a perfume, very exciting. We haven't had a perfume yet, I don't think. Well, I haven't anyway. This is the Tramp Kitchen exclusive perfume. Ooh, okay, let's give it a spray. Imagine if it's gross and I've just sprayed it myself, but let's try. Okay. Ooh, okay. To me, okay, I'm trying to think of how to describe it. It reminds me kind of like of my nan's perfume. My nan wears is it Eternity Calvin Klein? That mixed with like 29 High Street and like a bit of a woody smell. That's what this smells like. It smells really good. I don't know if it's my kind of smell. My mum would really, really love that. I don't know if it's my favourite, but I do really like the idea of having kind of an exclusive perfume in the box. So very, very impressed with that. Oh, the more it kind of settles actually, the more it smells nice. Like it's got a bit sweeter. Yeah, that's nice actually. Changed my mind, I like it. Moving on to the next thing. Okay, next up, digging into the box. I try and do all the bath bombs last if I feel one because I don't want to look at the sheet. So we need a minute. I need a minute. Okay, I could cry. I could cry. Lord of Misrule body lotion. Lord of Misrule body lotion. Lord of Misrule body lotion. I want to cry with joy. I love Lord of Misrule. Okay, so now I've had time to kind of calm down and collect my thoughts. Let's go through the product. So Lord of Misrule is my favourite smell of all time. It's black pepper, patchouli and vanilla, and other ingredients such as almond oil, jojoba oil, cocoa butter, wheat germ oil. That's basically it. Patchouli infusion, just delightfulness. And I want to open it and I'm going to smell it. I'm so excited. The question is it going to be green? That's the question. Oh. It's beautiful. It's everything I wanted and more. Look at that. Oh yeah. Okay, we've got to try some on. We've got to try some on. I want to cry. Oh, this is going to be delish. I'm so excited. Okay. I'm not putting too much on, obviously, don't want to waste it, you know. Oh, yeah. Okay, not disappointed. Do you know what? If that was the end of the box, I would be thrilled because, oh, it's so good. I could cry of happiness. What I will say, though, it's not overly strong, like when you smell it, but it's quite strong on the skin. Do you know what I mean? Like it's quite a light Lord of Misrule smell, but that is delicious. Oh, I'm so happy. Lord of Misrule, favourite. Okay, moving on. So next, moving on, I mean, I don't think anything is going to top the Lord of Misrule body lotion because that is going to be my pride and joy forever and ever. But we move on to a bottle. This is the Ectoplasm shower cream. Now, I am excited about this, but I had this last year, so I'm not overly like wowed because we've had it fairly recently, but I am going to smell it. Oh, it's thick. Wait a minute. This is going to be a bad idea. Look at that. Wow. Oh, it does smell good though. I just inhaled that. It smells like I Love Juicy. Very fresh. Grapefruit. Lemon. It's just delightful. Lovely and fresh and very fluorescent. It looks kind of like a highlighter, but ingredients wise, this has cocoa butter, almond oil, tangerine water, tangerine oil, grapefruit juice, mandarin juice. It just smells like I Love Juicy. If you haven't smelt it, go and smell it. But I'm really excited to give this a try, but love that. I love Halloween. I'm just in my element, so that is great. Okay, here's something. What is that? Let's pull it out. Ooh. Okay, I think this is a bath melt. I'm gonna have to peek. Don't want to ruin it for myself. Gonna have to take a peek. We have a bath melt. This is the Something Wicked This Way Comes bath melt. This is the old style bath melt. This is when I used to work there, and I used to be obsessed with You've Been Mangoed and the Melting Marshmallow Moment, but You've Been Mangoed was this size and it was just delicious. This smells like something I've had before. Is it the same scent as Ghost or something? Like that kind of smell? It's like, I can't describe it. Hang on, I gotta give my nozzle a fresh smell. Spicy cotton. Do you know what I mean? Like spicy and clean. That's what this smells like. But ingredients wise, this one has cocoa butter almond oil, jasmine absolute ginger oil, so it has got the ginger in there, oak moss absolute, and it's not even melting in my fingers because my hands are so cold, because for some reason in the UK it's like -1,000,000 degrees. But that's really, really nice. And I do miss the bath oils, especially when they were this big. But that's really, really good. Yummy! Ooh, what a box. What a box. So the next item we have is a bath bomb. Now this is the Enchanter bath bomb, and it has lime oil, olibanum resinoid, neroli oil. I think that's basically it. Cream of tartar. Stop it. It smells like Collis. Oh my god. Oh, I love Collis so much. Collis, Monsters Ball. Such a Halloween smell. This is delicious. Delicious. Wow. Beautiful. Beautiful ball. Bath bomb. Oh, I can't stop smelling it. Oh, I'm loving this box. Okay. We have one more thing, so I'm very excited. Let's see what it is. Last but not least, oh no, he's a little bit broken, but that's okay. We have the Tweet Bubble Bar. Now, I'm going to hold it this way because he's lost an eyeball, but that's okay. And it looks like, I could be wrong, but it looks like you could either have got a green or a black one. Obviously, I've got the black one. And this one has tangerine oil, cornstarch, cream of tartar. That's basically it. Wow, that is very tangerine-y, obviously. It's like Bright Side on steroids, like super tangerine. Because like to me, I mean this could be the same smell and I could be being like really stupid, but oh, is it Bright Side now? Could be Bright Side actually. Smells good though. Not sure about the black in my bath because I don't know, but it smells good. Oh, look how cute. I love that. Smells delish. I would have liked him to have been a bit bigger, but maybe, I mean, we did get a perfume and I did get a shower gel and a body lotion. I can't really complain. But he smells amazing. So that is everything for the Lush kitchen box for October. Let me know your thoughts down below. I am so impressed with this box. Definitely worth the money in my opinion. I mean, I probably would have paid £35 for the body lotion alone, but considering we got a perfume, we got a body lotion, a shower gel, a bubble bar, a bath melt, and a bath bomb. We kind of got everything. I'm really impressed. So Lush have done a very good job. Let me know down below if you've subscribed to the box, or if you haven't or you have, let me know what your favourite item was. Mine for sure is the Lord of Misrule body lotion, because this is just my favourite thing ever. So obsessed. Also, if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We are on our way to 9,500 of you, which is insane. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. I love you guys very much, and I will see you very soon. Bye guys.